So now we're going to talk about product demos and use cases. Obviously today I'm not going to do a full product demo, but there is lots of assets here you can visit on our YouTube channel where our customer success experts are showing this exciting way of how to actually create a user experience. And just to highlight a little bit, this is from John Green, and John is showing here how you can use this on your mobile device and what you can program in that device. This is EON XR, how you can add various videos, or you can show that on your table. This is the VR glasses that you can convert your phone into glasses. These are examples in VR when you actually create two images. Activities that you complete, you get a score for that. So that's kind of, XR. The ability, this is merged XR, where you actually do a scan of your car, you then overlay it, you superimpose that, and now you're able to put a lot of information and guidance. You see that hand from above there. You also can use the artificial intelligence. He's taking a picture. Let's look at that. I took it back a little bit. Yeah, so visually matches. So he took a picture, now recognizes what it is, and with that he can build more information, videos, text. For example, this floating video shows that procedure for the car, which is very exciting. But it's not only one video. You can have video, text, PDFs, what we call knowledge portals, as I showed earlier. And now here there is walk and talk, so he's guiding you through a procedure, and he's showing you different things. And then finally, he's also demonstrating a spatial meeting. So let's go to that. He's picking up a model. He is selecting either standard meeting. We have something called XR meetings without avatar, or spatial meetings. Now we're going for spatial meetings. He's selecting a building, in this case a scanned environment. He's selecting the avatar. He's inviting other people to join. He's putting in his room, and voila. Now he's in a French room back in time, and he can walk around physically. He can encounter other people. You can see here guests. He can look at things, or he's on his tablet doing the same thing that we've seen before, but also with people and interaction, and in a very, very collaborative and engaging way. So that's a quick demo. If you are interested in a deep dive, we can obviously provide that. There's also a lot of use cases. So these use cases have been developed by our Chief Learning Officer, Rina, and she's been working on, her husband is a cockpit expert. So he did actually standard operation procedures for this. Don't have the sound, but you'll actually hear him as a cockpit in 3D explaining how things work in this cockpit. Here he is. He actually recorded that and talks with her about it. Here's agriculture equipment that you can see is aligned for knowledge and using artificial intelligence. Here is an agriculture expert explaining how to handle this type of equipment, and he's even put a farm in her own living room. That's pretty crazy. You can see the farm. Here's in the laboratory that I've showed you earlier with the centrifuge, the medical equipment. Now she's doing music here, I believe, studio design. Studio monitors on the music side, teaching about that. Anyway, this can go on, and time doesn't allow us to do everything, but it's a short description of product demos and use cases. If you're interested, check our YouTube.